In this video, we show how to replace an E3 drive backplane on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, backplane cover, air shroud, and fan cage assembly removed from the system, to remove the E3 backplane, identify the backplane that you need to remove, and then disconnect the data cables, and we'll do slot 4 for this one. Disconnect those from the HPM and unroute those cables from their clips, and then also disconnect the power cable from the board, and then loosen the screw that secures it in place. With the screw loosened, you can slide the backplane module forward and up and out of the system. To install the E3 backplane, align and lower it into the system, and then slide it towards the rear, and then tighten the screw to secure it in place. And then reconnect the power cable, and then the data cables as well. And make sure those are routed underneath their clips. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.